15. Stay with me.
MBA is sponsored in part by Loring Outdoors and viewers like you.
Good morning on the run. First of all, you know the drill. If it's your first time being here, watch a few videos. If you like what you see, subscribe. Give a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell to be notified of more videos and live streaming. But we're heading up the rock. As always, we have all kinds of critters. May have all kinds of nothing. Either way, you're with me, and we're gonna find out. Got cold weather coming. Everything's clear as of now. As of now, as far as the weather. So we may have some critter or two. May have nothing. Don't know. It's like Christmas every day. Stick around, stay with me. Number 15. Stay with me. Oh, yeah, he's got a full pad catching on over. Right there. This is where I caught the renegades, rebels, and rogues. That's good looking. That's a good looking coyote right there. He didn't get my meat. He don't look manged out. No, he looks good. That's a good looking coyote right there. Let's see what he's got here. Yeah, he didn't damage the trap none. $15. On the rock. Makes two out of this set right here. So let's get him took care of and get a reset made and get out of here. We gotta go down to the farm. Been a good season. Stay with me. So I done a reset back there, the same song, second verse. That makes a total of 15 coyotes so far this year. 11 off the farm, 3 off the rock, and 1 up the road. We're heading to the farm now. Get you a drink, because I'm going to stay with me. Back at the farm. Well, I will see an albino elephant down here. I'll tell you, this place down here is crazy, man. That ridge top, there's all kinds of critters are running. Don't know. May have us a herd of possums. Stay with me, we'll find out. we stand at 15 coyote for the season. Nothing going on down here at the farm. Everything looks good. Baits look good. Sets look good. Just a waiting game. Got a lot going on. Got to get the blouse ready to go in the water. Maybe try to catch us a couple of beaver and an otter or two. I know where some otter are in that river. We shall see. We're just getting started. And I appreciate you for sticking it out with me, for going with me, for helping me along the way, for your encouragement and your support. Everything that you do for me and my family. It's Roland Smith Mountain Bush Crafters Line says, always go farther, stay longer. I'll catch you somewhere. Thanks for watching. Let me show you where we are now. Hot dang it. Stay with me. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, buddy. See what I see? Bank den. Do you see what I see? That's what we're after. They got them looking for a slide or two, but over yonder's a bank den. Yep. Stay with me. Yep. Looking right at them. Freaking go. Slicker than Chicago out here. Look right there. Ease on down. Yep. I got more slick right there. Yep. Let's ease on down. Yeah, right here we go. Here we go. Looking for a slide. See any slides? That's a beaver den. There's cuttings. Stay with me. Guess what I found? I found a slide. 1, 2. 2 slides. Show you. There's one. Oh, there's one. You can see their den right there. Right there in the middle of the screen. Yep, that whole bank. They worked this whole bank over. Regular city right there, buddy. Yeah, they've got these trees cut up right there. There's one. Right there's one. And I'd say there's umpteen more out through here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back up. I'm gonna go back up. Yeah, they've got it wore slick. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back up and ease down that field. Like spot water. May bring a camera up here tomorrow. Should have brought one today, but I didn't. Get these leaves where it's a little bit less slick. They're cutting that field away. Yeah, there's another slide. They're cutting that field over, I'd say. Right across from my uncle's. Huh? What? Yeah, they got this right here wore out. That bank right there's wore slick out. He's on down to one time. Nose around just a little bit. See if we can find any otter sign. Maybe what we're looking at. I ain't got my waders on. Slide. Slide. I'm gonna cross the creek. I'm gonna put this phone up before I drop it. It's slicker than Chicago in this water. Hopefully I don't get wet. Don't know. But I'm gonna cross this stream and walk that field and see if there's anything, any fresh cuttings. Put this phone up before I drop it. Another one. They're here. Chewy, chewy, chewy. That's what we're looking for. Look here. Got this boar sling. And it's just deep enough for 330. And that's what I'll put. I'll put me some 330s right down this bank. I'd like to hear me one this morning. Spot me one anyway. I'd say I won't. Can't never tell. But they've got it wore slick right there. They've got it chewed. It's chewed on that back side up there. It's chewed all to pieces. But their slides in the river, I guess, are short. They're just short slides. They're not nothing dramatic, but you can see right there where they're going back in there. Right in that den hole right there. Man, that's pretty, ain't it? I'm excited. I'll set the blouse out right here in this area. It's just deep enough to cover the trap. So I'll find the perfect spots. Put me a little caster mound right down here maybe. Right down there. Put me a caster mound up with a backing where they have to go through it. We shall see. But I'm going to set me some water sets up through here too. I seen where Bobcat was running down the river. Went up on the bank. Didn't have any toenails, so it was a bob. Look at that. They've got that wore out. They've got it wore slick out. Water ain't been up that high this year yet, so we'll see. One more video. Right there. They've got it cut out of pieces up there. There's a den. Bank den. Hut. what do you want to call it? But there it is. Yeah, they're dragging stuff everywhere. Up there, I've got it cut off pieces. They're coming down the bank. Right there. Right there. Side the tree. So, I'll set me one right there where the big tree is, in the center of the screen, where the castor mound. And I'll set me one right over here. Right over there. Just deep enough. Just deep enough. It's untelling how many beavers are down here. But there's sign, bro. So let's get the beaver. Man, it's been an awesome day. Whew. I'll have this right here set up with 330s and some cameras. See what's moving up and down the river. But appreciate you for sticking it out with me. For all that you do for me and my family. For my channel. This has probably been the best season of my life. Not because I've caught a lot of coyotes, bobcat or skunk or whatever, but because I've learned a whole lot. My dad used to say, when you stop learning, somebody's reading your name in a eulogy. Your name is printed on an obituary somewhere when you stop learning. And that's the whole point of being out here. This road, Smith Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance. Oh, where's the mule? Yeah. It's always go farther, stay longer. I'll catch you either on the ridge or down here. Thanks for watching.